Apple cider vinegar is obtained by fermenting apples. The benefits of this nutrient, which has been used for medicinal purposes since ancient times, are endless, and a new benefit is discovered every day. Apple vinegar, which is consumed at regular intervals, provides incredible benefits to our body and brings many physiological problems. What are the benefits of apple cider vinegar consumption? How, when, and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of regular apple vinegar consumption? Since apple vinegar is a fermented product, it contains gut-friendly probiotic bacteria like other fermented foods, especially the solidified structure called mother of vinegar in organic apple vinegar fits beneficial bacteria that are very important for the digestive system. In addition, since apple cider vinegar is a natural disinfectant, it destroys harmful bacteria in food. It facilitates the circulation of nutrients in the digestive system and prevents intestinal problems. In addition, the pantothenic acid it contains prevents problems such as bloating. At the same time, due to its active properties, apple cider vinegar provides protection against cardiovascular diseases thanks to the antioxidants it contains. It takes very important responsibilities to ensure the correct blood flow by increasing the blood flow quality. It creates a strong defense mechanism against cardiovascular diseases. It helps to prevent vascular occlusions by regulating the amount of lipid in the blood with its contribution to the circulatory system. In addition, apple vinegar has a powerful effect on lowering blood sugar when added to meals or salads. It increases the sensitivity of tissues to insulin and significantly lowers blood sugar. In people with blood sugar fluctuations, glucose particles from inappropriate bonds to proteins, rendering them unusable. This process is called glycation. In the medical world, apple vinegar reduces the risk of glycation formation with its folic acid, niacin, and other beneficial acids which antioxidant properties. Apple vinegar, which has incredible benefits for both the digestive system and blood sugar, ensures the functional quality of the tissues and the use of adipose tissue in energy metabolism as soon as it enters the body. In this way, it facilitates weight control. On the other hand, apple cider vinegar helps to remove toxins from the body thanks to its acidic structure and basically supports the functioning of the liver and all other organs. When consumed regularly, it raises the body's pH level. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in apple peel, plays an important role in reducing inflammation in the body and boosting the immune system. The vitamin C in apple vinegar helps to strengthen the immune system, protects the body against germs and bacteria, and is effective in quickly getting rid of diseases such as colds. In addition, thanks to the compounds it contains, it increases the amount of acetylcholine, which is related to concentration problem solving and memory improvement in the brain. Studies have proven that consumption of apple vinegar protects against Parkinson's disease, a condition associated with the breakdown of dopamine producing nerve cells in the brain. At the same time, apple cider vinegar is very rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, phenolic acid, and vitamin derivatives. Because of these properties, it shows anti-cancer abilities by protecting the body from life-absorbing cancerous cells. So, is there an harm in such a beneficial food? First of all, apple cider vinegar, which cleans the toxins in the intestines and feeds the beneficial bacteria, can cause stomach burning and stomach discomfort when consumed in excess without dilution. Drinking undiluted apple cider vinegar can be problematic for people with digestive issues such as stomach ulcers. On the other hand, it is a fermented food. The rich plant extracts it contains are used in medicine in the medical world today. Therefore, if you have medication that you need to use regularly, consult your doctor before adding strong compounds such as apple cider vinegar to your diet. So, how much and how to consume apple cider vinegar? Experts have determined the ideal consumption of 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar a day, 3 to 4 days of a week. In the light of this information, you can add apple cider vinegar to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well, stay informed.